Alright, so just going to go through how to set up a task in Claude Cowork. So task I want to do today is I want to see some trending topics every day, and I want it to automatically be sent to me. So I'm just going to go in my Claude, go to schedule task, new task, create with Claude, and now we're going to design it. So I like to live dangerously, so I'm going to skip all approvals. It's fine for me. So I want to create a task every day that gives me ideas for content on YouTube based on what's trending. Create it and run it every single morning. So the ideal output here is every day, and I can refine what I want it to look like, but the ideal output is every day I get a daily YouTube, sure, Tech AI, 6 a.m., messaging Cowork. So get ideas every morning. And then while this is going, if I wanted to set up an MCP, like for example, if I wanted to connect this to Slack or Notion and have my results go there, I can go here to add connector and browse connections, or browse connectors, and here's where I'll see Slack, Gmail, Google Drive, everything else. So if I were to click on Slack, I would authenticate my Slack and then basically in that scheduled task communicate that I want the output to be sent to my Slack every morning. So now it's done. Should be good. And I'm not saying the quality here is great, but you can continue to refine it. So I'll say, let's see, this is actually going to run. Let's just run now just to see. Hopefully it works right. Basically, this is going to run every day automatically at 6 a.m. And you can connect it to your cloud. You can connect it to other MCPs to take different actions. But just as an outline, just showing you how easy it is to create a scheduled task that's going to run every day for anything that you wish you had every single day. Okay, it is running. It's running through a bunch of stuff right now, as you can see. It's giving me ideas. Not sure how long it's going to take, but I'm also not sure how great the outcome is going to be, but it's something that can be constantly revised. So I'm going to give it a minute. We're going to see the output, but everything you need to know up to this point is how to get it started. Okay. OpenAI Astra model. So yeah, I'd probably go research this, or I could even have Claude go and research this and get me more information, get me ready for a video. But essentially, now I have the scheduled task. Every single morning, 6 a.m., I'm going to wake up to this. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.